Good morning, everybody. It's a new day, a new story, a new adventure. So today we're going to Patricia's house near Cool FM. We're doing something for the Gregory Isaac Foundation. They're going to give a contribution. We're here with June.
Hi everyone.
So we're just going to go ahead and just get this started. So just tune in and just see how the rest of my day go. Everyone who's there right now with their yard boys from production. They are quite early, just after 7. They are wait on Orion for pull the place because I need to do some editing on something where them need to send off tomorrow because I don't come in early tomorrow. So just there wait on Orion to come. I'm saying they're around 10 minutes away. Yeah. Once he reach, just finish up that and then I have a video shoot for Gopon for shoot for the entire day. So that's how I'm gonna spend my labor day. My labor is my business. You see me? So right now we just there go and build. So just watch and see what I go on for the rest of the day. You see me? I show no whole heap of clips of the video shoot, so just go and watch. Alright, so people, so they're on the video shoot right now. I never really show no what I go on with up at YB because yeah, Orion just stressed me out with some work, so kinda never in the mood for vlog, but I get that out of the way. We're there in a Portmore, you know, I head to our location, meet some females to put in the video. Nobody there in front of me. See them up there, sir? Yeah. Body there in front of me, so there, laying around there, so you don't know film style as usual. So just there, I go and roll out in the Portmore, I go and make things happen. But, so this is my Labor Day work. More work.
Yeah, the only person that on the hospital is 700,000.
Alright, so Leon want a bit per us, but they are Caymans right now, but when I join the whole betting thing, like, I can't gamble. Last time I gamble, I lose whole heap of money, you see me? Over there, I head up to a watchtower. But I don't know how far it is, you see me? But I try to reach it, I know. But I don't know if you can hear me still because the wind heavy, bad too. I don't know if you can see that. Now man get ready for race. But we'll just there. I head up to the watchtower. See if we can go up there and shoot. Done the second leg of the shoot. So not. So right now we're gonna left Caymans right now. Yeah, we got some back of some part of Caymans to shoot that
The bet on the hospital win.
You lose how much thousands of dollars in that ball. And I said, John, no Prince, you could stop me. So I be a good friend and stop if I'm early out. See me? I know the thing go. Prince and a fool. But see the track over there, so the watchtower, they will shoot part of the scenes. So yeah, people, I head in back here now to shoot the next scene. People not posted for walk one. Alright, then brother said the gate closed, so I'll take the gate to head out now. Remember, I know, Essence video drop. Actually, it'll drop next week, so I can actually look out for it. And then I'll go put the check on my Instagram because I'm going to build a flyer feed on the exact date when I release, so you can just look out and see what happens. Alright people, the video shoot did nice today. As you know me, I'm not in a personal life. Them come, this man you call me out of my yard. You have to call me yard. Call me from my nice little vacation. I have me a YB I edit for the rest of the night. So you don't know this thing go. No sleep. You see me sir? At this point, this very point, I'll be here for the rest of the night. So this is where I'm going to end this vlog. People, See you next time. Prince, Ghana Road. Ghana the editing, as you can see. Bags under bags. Tired. But we're not gonna sleep again. The life of me I feel live, you get me? Prince out.